Hi everyone! So today I thought I would react to a group that I've never heard of. They are called 24K, and apparently they made a new video clip, a new MV, and it's called Superfly. So I'm going to react to Superfly by 24K. Okay. I just need to... I'm never actually Superfly. Superfly. Found it! Okay. Sorry. Sorry. I'm just having a really bad cold and my voice is a little bit weird, but it's okay. Okay, so let's start this. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Oh my god, he looks like V. It's the only thing I realized so far. A bit too much makeup for me, but I kinda like it. It's my style of song, you know. He definitely looks like V. Oh my god, I know him! I like it. Oh, I like the neon, what's the name of it? Flake. Ooh! I really like it. I can't move because I have the computer on my head. I love it. I love it. Wait a minute. I love it. I love it. I think that the one who looks like V from the BTS, I think his name is Sungo. I'm not sure. However, I think I follow him on Instagram without knowing who who he is. That's so weird. But whatever. I really liked it. Colorful, colorful, and it's amazing. I loved it. What can I say? It's moving. It's definitely my kind of song, you know. I like it. It's the kind of song that I really enjoy. And Superfly. Okay, I definitely am going to get it. And yeah, but I like it. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope you liked it. Actually, I feel like it was short. Yeah, definitely short. But yeah, I really liked it, and I'm looking forward to see more of them. So yeah, what can I do right now? I'm gonna let you go, and yeah, see you later. Bye.